Hi guys, hi people. This is the third part of the Southern Bypass with two wheels, 254. And today we are going a free ride from Langata to the Mombasa road, and it's gonna be fine. This is Langata on my left. My left is Wilson Airport of the Carnival. On the right is the temple. We are going down the hill through the national park to the Mombasa road. Be with me. Hi. It's on the right. On the right is the national park. It's the national park that goes down the hill. We are going down to Mombasa road, and on the right is the national park. As you can see, the poster ahead of me. That's the poster. We are inside the national park. We are inside the national park. The road cuts across the national park. Yeah, as you can see. Yeah, it's called Nairobi National Park. It cuts right across the highway, the bypass. So on the right you can see that's the whole field of the national park, and it's so amazing, so beautiful outside here. It's so beautiful, and it's amazing to do these trips for This trips for it's been awesome doing these trips. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's so amazing. So please support me in any way you can, and it's so amazing to do this every project every now and then. So let's see how Mombasa Road is, and we shall take another video. So that's the national park on my right. And actually, Nairobi is one of the rarest cities that has the national park actually in the town, around the town. Nairobi, so beautiful, so awesome. And Kenya is so beautiful anyway. Kenya is so beautiful, and also the world is so beautiful. But I'm showing you what Kenya is beautiful to the world. It's so awesome. The national park, the bypass, which has no traffic actually, not traffic at all. Smooth all the way from the Kikuyu roads, from Kikuyu town down to Mombasa roads. No traffic, no nothing. So it's just a smooth sail down to Mombasa road. Yeah.